stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. The Nasdaq's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet.
All right. Good morning. We got Friday. Is it Friday? Friday already? August 15th. God, I feel like it's still like April or something. Terrible these days. All right, let's jump in. Futures floor, good morning. Came for the good stuff. The secret levels. I don't know. I'll make some up. You want me to? I think that's the key to it. You just make them up. No, we wouldn't do that. I don't know where my open's at yet. We got 23,886 for the open. I think too blind to be able to see it this early. Hourly, we had a push up a few days ago. It was a Tuesday. Been kind of sideways since. Looks like another inside day. Beach floor, another inside day. On a Friday. Yep, it's gonna be a slow day. Don't jump into any crazy trades. Play with your balls. Oh, we got 30 minutes. I don't know if we still need this level. Already? No matter how early I try to get here, I jump in and the market's already open. Sometimes I think the market's fighting against me. Alright, 15 minute. Yeah. So far, we're just looking sideways. We want to see bears take control. They got to break down below this support. Build structure, go lower. We want to see bulls take control. Got to break above this 23,963. Build structure, go higher. Look for good setups. Look for good trades. Don't be jumping into anything. Alright, 2 minute chart. Let's go see what the futures floor is up to. Good morning. No. What happened?
And I was caught on the wrong side of a trade. Let's go.
Where we go?
Not much risk, but Tabernooch. Not catching a move.
Catching the move, man. Catching the move.
Wow, talk about a head fake in the morning, eh?
I guess sellers were there. They were just hiding. It's okay.
Come on, break lower.
Still getting all my stuff set up. This takes a lot of work.
Shit. Shit.
I don't think people realize how much work this is in the morning.
Yeah, I know.
Anyways, it's Friday. Gonna have a good Friday.
It is. Okay, you really can't be doing that.
Whatever it was, I didn't do it.
Ah, lordy, 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 lordy. It's Head Fake Friday.
Head fake Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Which way you want to go? Long, short, fade it.
I think it should be short. Everything looks like it's kind of short.
Man, I'll tell you what, if you would have faded me last night, well, not last night, but afternoon, you'd have made a killing. I was trying out the, they was talking about the footprint chart.
Omnibot?
Huh?
The Omnibot?
No, I was trying out the footprint chart. And, I mean, really, I was trading regular setup, but I was looking for the footprint chart to confirm it. And, I mean, I swear I lost every freaking trade.
Wow.
I don't even know how it's possible.
Hey, what's happened here? Yeah, sometimes that happens. It's the weirdest thing.
It shouldn't even be possible. It's theoretically impossible.
But it happens.
It's crazy.
It happens.
I was like, this is not even possible. I was like, the next trade has got to be a winner. The odds are in my favor. Like, this is crazy. Of course, I was trading evals. Just trying to mess around with well, not evals, but sim account. Trying to mess around with the footprint chart. Got it kind of set up, messing with it. I swear I lost 9 out of 10 trades. I probably took 15 or 20 trades. I lost all of them, but maybe one. I was like, this ain't even possible. So you know what's not on my screen today?
Nope.
Footprint chart. It ain't there today. I came up with a theory that they push the imbalance that everybody looks for, and then they fade it.
When they fade it, yeah. Well, I find Friday often we make a move, and then we go in the opposite direction. That's why I call it Head Fake Friday.
Oh, I was thinking of you.
A lot on Fridays. You get a little bit of a move, and maybe there's multiple little bit of moves. Maybe that head fake. Maybe this is also another head fake now. This short dump, this dump.
I was thinking of you towards the end of my trading. I was like, if Mike was here right now, he'd already be programming a bot to fade this.
You're quiet again.
Volume's not loud enough?
No, it's probably just my volume. I probably have it. Oh, yeah, well, I have it on 5. There you go. That'll explain it.
I'm loud in my ear.
Oh, you're screaming in my ears.
I was trying to figure out how to turn me down without turning everything else down.
Yeah, let me just do a sound check.
Check.
1, 2, 3 for me.
Check 3, 5, 8, 7.
Hold on. My volume is turned off over here. Okay. Let me just wait 2 seconds. Okay, go speak.
Check 3, 5, 8, 7, 4.
Check 3, 5, 8, 7, 4. Okay, we're a little bit off. I'll raise you a bit.
I'll raise you $5.
I'll raise you $5.
That's all I got. That's all I got so far because y'all won't give me no moves.
So yesterday, not yesterday, Bulenox didn't answer me today. I sent him another email.
Today?
Didn't get a reply. Yeah, I'm still not.
Yeah, it takes them a little while.
No, they used to be really quick. That's the one thing I loved about Bulenox.
Every time I've messaged them, they took like a day.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It is. There's no holiday on Monday, right, in the U.S.?
I don't think so.
There's nothing to explain this death and volatility.
Well, yeah, we're at all-time highs. We just had this huge move the other day.
Yeah. Let me go check again. The market analyzer, 280,000.
We have 2 indecision days in a row.
Yeah, it's getting quiet again. I just looked at the daily chart. Again, we're getting these tiny bars.
If you look on the daily chart and you look back to July, beginning of July, it was the same thing. This huge push up, and then just kind of consolidated for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days.
Yeah.
So this could be the start. Actually, right after that, did it again. Push up, consolidated for 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Now we have this another push up. We're 3 days in, so.
Oh. Sorry, I just had a realization. Sorry to cut you off there.
What did you realize? It might have been something cool.
I realized that Omnibot is a counter trend trader. That causes a problem. It's taking long positions now, but me, I would be taking short positions. So I never even thought of that. I just realized it now. Omnibot is programmed to go in the opposite direction and to catch reversals to the mean and try to limit risk if it's wrong. That's what I'm trying to do with Omnibot, but okay, we're going to have to run it. On a separate account.
I think today I just might take it easy, do some add some volume profile to the chart, see what that gives me.
Take it easy. I love volume profile. I really liked it. I found it was as significant. Wait a minute, the 2-minute connection lost. That was me. I wish I knew where. Who lost connection?
I don't know.
You just said I don't know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, you're cutting in and out just like you did before.
Why?
I don't know. I'm guessing it was your sound settings in Discord. Go check them again. We got to figure it out. Yeah, I didn't hear the I don't know at all. I just barely played.
Sound settings. If you don't like the voice isolation, go to custom. Well, it was working good with custom last time once I raised it. Let's do the auto level. Where's the auto level? Determine sensitivity. Alright, we're going to try the auto level. You'll have to let me know how that works.
Okay, I'll see if I see anything that...
Check. Yep.
Check.
Jose, good morning. What are we looking for? Sales, yes. Well, yes and no. I don't know if you just seen I was pointing out, Jose, that on the daily, if we go back a little bit, we had this push up here and then kind of consolidated for what, 9 days, I think I counted. We had another push up, consolidation. Now we have this other strong push up. We have 2 indecision days back to back. So it could just consolidate for a few days. And I believe it's a no news Friday, right?
Oh, no, we had retail sales actually.
8:30. Oh, I do see news. What do we got?
Yeah, it came in flat.
How do I make this big? I can't even see it. I'm getting old, guys.
Want to borrow my glasses?
I wear contacts. What more do I need?
Oh, yeah. it's true. You told me that. My glasses.
We have University of Michigan sentiment at 10 o'clock. Like I've seen more than that on the chart. 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Trump speaks again?
Trump speaks every day. When is Trump quiet?
My guy loves to talk. All right, so we got 10 o'clock. What's the other 10 o'clock news?
I have no idea.
Inflation expectations. So news at 10 o'clock, guys. So we might just kind of consolidate until the news gets here. Bama, good morning.
Boom. Are we going to break over the bands?
Bama, I was trying the footprint chart yesterday afternoon. I think I did something wrong. I think I lost about 14 out of 15 trades with it.
That's so discouraging, though.
Might have been 19 out of 20. I swear, like the whole time I won one trade. I was like, this ain't even possible.
Write a review.
Write a review. I gotta figure out what I'm doing first.
Tell them how good they work for you.
I have to wait till he does a video on how to do it or something.
Ah, it was Bama that told you to use them, or to.
No, he didn't tell me to use it. We were just talking about it.
No, but like kind of brought it up.
I mean, I've tried using them before. I've never had any luck with them.
Yeah.
You know what I did see though? I did on the 2-minute chart with the power trades from Quantower.
Okay.
I did see that worked really good for reversals. For anybody that likes the reversal trades. Gives you so it highlights large orders, Mike.
Yeah. Yep.
And if you see those highlighted large orders around support resistance. That's not what I was testing. I was testing the pullback. So you get a push, you get a pullback. The normal way I trade, you know.
Yeah.
And then I was looking for an imbalance to jump in. I swear, every time I got an imbalance, I'd jump in and go against me.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I mean, there's a lot of spoofing in the market. There's a lot of orders that pad the book on one side or the other and then just disappear in the last second. They give you the impression.
Right.
You got a bit of support there, and then all of a sudden they don't even get filled. They just disappear. It's almost like they're faking you out. They're giving you a false impression. They're setting you up.
Mm-hmm.
It's illegal, but they do it. It's hard to prove. And
I think they push the large orders and then fade it.
yeah. But the heat map, is that, I think, what Patrick Wheeland used to show?
Yeah, that's just level 2.
Yeah.
You can get heat map on Quantower. I can get it for free. I just got to pay for the level 2 data.
Yeah.
It's only like $10 a month. Might be 15 now. I don't remember.
I like when they show cumulative. I remember there was one platform that gave me cumulative numbers. You got to see all the offers.
Quantower gives you all kinds of stuff. Nobody ever shows it.
What are we doing? 15-minute retest. We forgot about it. Didn't my alarm ring? Why wouldn't my alarm have rang yet? Oh, it rings at 9:49.
No, it's there now, isn't it? Wait, where is it? I'm on the 5-minute chart. What the heck?
Yeah, but no, my alarm rings at 9:49. That's why I didn't get alerted yet. I should alert it earlier, eh?
I didn't see a retest, did you?
No, there wasn't one.
So it's still in play.
You want to see where my take a look, laugh. Look
What am I
at
looking
my
at?
Take Profit Trader's account. Look what the balance is at. Where my cursor is. Can you see it? 52,998. I need $1.50.
You're gonna be clenching your butt taking that trade.
What is that? 1 point? I'm 1 point away from passing Take Profit Trader.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna take it on a valid setup. I'm not just gonna jump in. Let me remove my account data. Like I said, I don't like showing it. I find it bad luck. I'm sorry. I'm superstitious that way. I'd rather just show it at the end of the day. I don't mind. Whether it's red or green, I don't mind. I just don't want it up wild.
Bam, I'm curious what they're like on that app. Talking about footprint. Or not footprint,
there we go. Now
Bookmap.
Now I got the 50.
No, I never tried it. Yeah, you need level 2. No, you don't need level 2 for footprint.
We're coming up to the previous day's low at 23,793.
Footprint and heat map? I don't know.
And we came pretty aggressively into it, so I'm gonna take it to the upside.
Where's my quant tower?
We bounce. We get a bounce. We pop through it. I'm not sure if the bounce is going to be a good trade. Let me just make sure my trade copier is off. That's all I need right now, Ace, for my trade copier to accidentally take a bad trade and Take Profit Trader. That would be my luck.
I got so many programs open. I try to open a new one. I don't know where it went. Where'd you go, quant tower? The thing I don't like about quant tower is you try to open a chart and it like opens everything. Like, calm down. I just want the chart. All right, it's loading the chart. Now how do I put it on the screen?
Okay, well, I caught a little bit of a bounce there off the previous day's low. I waited for the Renkos to show me that they were going back up.
Sweet.
Jumped in.
I think I can go to this one. Mike, I might lose you for a second.
Hey, kitty cat, what do you want? You want cookies?
Switch over to this one for a second. Wait, that's the wrong one.
Looks like, that's it. 53,005. We're done.
That's it. We're done.
No, we're done.
We're done. Call it a day. Go home. Or that was the account. I gotta fix Mike first. He gets mad if he don't look right on my screen. He might come after me.
Hey, what's going on? Ah, that's why.
Hopefully we still hear you.
Are you stretching me again? Are you turning me into Gumby again?
Shit, I don't know. Is he gonna show up? There it is.
You know what? I don't need to go on a diet. Omnius stretches me out.
Oh man, you just do a virtual diet.
Oh, you're doing that again?
All right, Bama, that's the footprint chart, right? I get it straightened out. So here what I got. Footprint, 2-minute time frame. That's bid and ask. Yes. Yeah. It's got the delta on the bottom, the yellows, the power trades, and profiles, the delta. And then look over here, the reds, the imbalance, the green. Oh, we got red imbalance there, red imbalance, green imbalance. Skeletor, good morning. So that's not what, so Bama, that's not what you would call the footprint chart. That's just the top of the book, bid and ask. Could make it bigger. Sorry guys, it's bigger on my screen.
Oh, there you go. Where are you getting that from? That's from
Quan Tower.
Okay.
You can get bid and ask and volume on my footprint. It's a bid and ask. It's definitely up, but it's not as clean as mine. Yeah, you can do a lot of different ways. You could do volume. You can do all kinds of different stuff. If I can figure out how to get there. Shows you how good I am using this program. Show toolbar. There we go. Clusters. So I think I have the inbound. Can you? Kind of over there. Can't really move it.
Hey, I didn't get to play my jackpot sound.
So I think I got it set for imbalance. You can do single, double. Come on.
No one cares.
You can set volume. You can set by trades, volume, buy volume percent, sell volume, delta, average size, max volume, fit volume. They have a whole list of things you can go by. Histogram, clusters. Look up Trader Dow's videos. Yeah, I might do that. So here we're getting a lot of power trades. I assume if you were looking for a reversal at this point, you'd want to get above all these group of power trades here and then go long. I don't know. I like their delta. I like their chart. What time frame you use? Oh, look on the 30-minute. Yeah, I think that was my problem. I think just the smaller time frames get you in trouble. Alright, I'm gonna have to close Quan Tower.
Okay, let's take a bird's eye view and see what we got on the 30-minute chart. We got a big dump candle. Traded all the way down to the previous day's low. We did take out the Asia high, and then we took out the Asia low. So there is an 80% chance we take out the Asia high again. That's just a statistic. Doesn't mean we're going to do it, and it doesn't tell you what time we're going to do it if it does happen.
So where's the Asia high?
929. But right now I got everything showing bearish. I would assume you do also, pretty much, no?
I do, but I don't think I'd want to take a short. I think we're a bit far down. How far are we down? 150.
We're far down.
153 points.
Yeah, and we're just above the previous day's low.
And we're at the support here from yesterday. Yesterday's low.
Shit. And Top Step just took a trade at 800. I'm not taking that trade. Maybe if I can get in like 8-9 points better, I'll take it. If I can get in at 0809. Nah, I'll let this one pass. I'll let this one slide. Maybe I'll go top up my coffee. What do you think? Are you drinking your power juice again?
I am.
Good man. 10 o'clock. I think Omnius said there'd be news.
Is it? It's 10 o'clock already? My goodness,
Hey, did
man.
you see my first few seconds of my recap video yesterday? You didn't say anything.
I did not see it. I was probably doing other stuff.
That's the thing that I said.
Trader Dow's. Go check out Trader Dow's videos.
I'll stick around for about another minute. I'm coming back. Let's just see what the 10 o'clock news does. Let me see if the spread even widens. We're 20 seconds away and we're 53 quarters, a half, 3 quarters. So market's not expecting any move out of this. 9 seconds away and we're still not even one point spread. So
now, what was this?
This is going to be a nothing. What? Oh,
consumer sentiment.
So much for that theory. They didn't raise the spread, and yet it moved the markets.
I didn't have the delta up to look at it. Remember, sometimes I tell you the delta jumps before the price even moves.
That's an indicator that really seems like it has a lot of potential to be useful. But the problem is, Trades by Matt used to use it a lot. He was a very unsuccessful trader when he was using it. And maybe it has nothing to do with the cumulative. Well, he was using what he called cumulative delta.
Yeah, that's what I got. Yeah, cumulative delta.
But at that time, when I was watching him and he was getting raked over the coals, he was just hanging on to his losers and DCAing. So maybe his technique was just bad. That's all. But yeah, it was giving him fade trades, counter trend trades. He was trying to sell tops and buy bottoms, if I remember, allegedly. I won't. That's the way I remember it. Doesn't mean I'm right, but that's the way I remember it.
I think he did different types of trades.
Well, I'm talking like 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You were watching him back then too.
Yeah. I seen trades by Matt when pretty much he first started trading futures.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he was way different back then.
Yeah. Well, we all learn. We find our way. We find what works for us.
I was watching him before he quit his job.
Ah, okay.
He was going to work, hiding at work, trading, live streaming.
I didn't see it that early. Wow, nice move up. Big move up. So look at that, how they spike it lower and then they send it higher.
Yeah, I never liked cumulative delta. I told you I've tried it many times. I've never liked it.
Yeah.
I like it the way that I have it now to kind of show you the momentum coming into the market.
Okay.
And I keep a really small view of it. So I'm looking at like 10 minutes of the delta. I have several different charts. Actually, if I switch back over here, should be able to see it. Oh God, that guy's blocking it. This freaking guy.
Oh, the guy with the big head.
Yeah. All right. Put you above the delta. You can kind of see it there. Guys, I can't move Mike too much. He gets mad.
There we go.
Look, if I pull you in and give you a digital diet, you get mad your head's too big.
Digital diet.
And if I make you wider, you get mad your belly's too big. I can't win.
No.
Bam, you talking about the cumulative delta? Trading divergence. So if you see the 3 charts that I got, they're like a 10-minute time frame. Yeah. I think one's the NQ 2000 volume chart, the other one's the MNQ 2600 volume chart, and then this one's the ES something. I don't remember. About the same. Just kind of showing the momentum coming into the market. Really, I like to watch it when I'm in a trade. Kind of see that momentum still going my way. All right, Mike, putting you back in the corner.
We had a 15-minute opening OR retest. Would you have taken it that late? At 10:02? Or
yeah.
It's too late already. Yeah, you would have. So it dumped 20 points.
I missed it, didn't I?
It was, yeah, I don't know. Well, I missed it too. I didn't think of it. But because for me, that's it. It's finished. It's too late already.
Well, I wouldn't have took it, but it did work. But I wouldn't have took it because of how far it came up to get to it.
Yeah,
we had all that strong momentum. Also, it was right after the news came out, so that was basically the news that pushed it up into it. Yeah. Actually, it was the news. So that was the news that came out, pushed it into the open range low. So I wouldn't have took it. To me, that's being too aggressive.
Okay, so we didn't miss it this week, today.
It's Friday. I've been green, 3 days this week? I think I was red one day. My calendar at. Red Monday, green Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So it's been a good week. All I gotta do is not screw it up.
I should track that also.
I'm telling you, man, just marking the green and red days is huge. Yeah. I do it right there on the Google Calendar. It's just easy to do, and I still delinquent, but to be able to look back and say, I was so worried about this day or this day, and then look back and say, well, okay, the past 2 weeks I had one red day or 2 red days, what's the problem, man? You should be happy.
Yeah. Yeah, it would be easy for me if I just traded one account with one broker, but I don't, so you gotta check. You gotta check the cumulative delta.
And I had one of the bot trades this morning, so that was successful. So already up on that. I think they cut off at 10 o'clock, so I shouldn't have any more. So yeah, it's already a good day. All I gotta do is not fuck it up. All right, what are you looking at? Anybody see anything? Skeletor? Bama? Any good trades looking at?
I'm watching just... to see if the code is working on the...
Did you tell Skeletor if you passed that take profit trader? I think you said you did, right?
I did. That's what I said. Nobody, I said like a sad boy, I said nobody cares. I even played my jackpot sound.
Oh, well, I can't hear that.
Yeah. It's okay.
Bama said he missed his entry by $2. The It happens. It happens to me all the time. Skeletor was in a meeting. He's hiding from his boss trading.
He's trading under the desk. Tell him we say hi.
Tell the boss we say hi. You gonna set up the footprint chart? Make sure you do some back testing on Sim, man. I got to do more back testing, figure out how I can implement it. I think I did good though. I did quite a bit yesterday. I got it set up, got a few different charts. Haven't really used a Quantower in forever, so I had to refigure that out. I get a free license for Quantower, but I don't think I can use it for the prop trading. I don't know, because my license for Quantower literally says like AMP Quantower, like it's registered for AMP. Later share a screenshot. Well, Bama did give us a guy to go check out the footprint charts. Of course, if I'm looking for it, I can't find it. Trader Dallas. Bama, you going to be doing some videos on footprint charts? Just checking out some of your videos yesterday, but it seemed like you're still getting in the setup process. Dow. Okay. Trader Dow. What about Jose? Jose, you still there? You looking at any trades? Oh, Mike left? That gets me every time. Skeletor, I was in a meeting. That's great. Maybe eventually. Looked to me like you were still setting up what you wanted to, like getting used to the software and stuff. Stream. I don't know if you're using OBS. I use Prism. I think Mike uses OBS. I use Prism Live Studio. I think they're about the same. Would like to maybe take a short here. Suck at streaming, don't know what to do. Go live on TikTok. My mic never works for some reason. Brother said he'd help. Never went live on TikTok. Done it on YouTube. I think TikTok, you gotta set everything up different. For the computer, you gotta use, I think, their program. I don't know how to do it on the phone. Mike's done it a couple times.
I'm back.
He's back.
Let me just...
I think the video I was watching, Bama, there was like a loop in the mic, like you had the speaker on or something.
Tell me what I missed. Okay, got my headphones on. I wasn't even hearing you. Got the camera open.
Oh, you got me double screened again.
I don't know what it means, but
I'm too ugly to be on the screen twice.
Doubled? What do you mean doubled? I don't have you doubled.
No, every time you turn your camera off on my stream, it doubles me up.
Yeah, I told you what you got to do. You got to capture the whole screen. Not do an individual like that. Not do individuals, because then it moves.
Yeah, it's all a work in progress.
Yeah, it is.
Talking to Bama, he's trying to stream. He said he was having mic issues or something. Said he's went live on TikTok a few times.
Don't talk to me about mic issues. I think that was the worst.
Set it up this weekend.
The worst part of my life, they're figuring out the mic issues and the sound issues when I started streaming. I think it took me 2 months to figure. But I also dealt with a lot of different issues. I was using a software to bring in wood chip and my son.
What software was you using?
I don't remember what it was called.
Didn't you say it was that Ninja thing or something?
Yeah. I think that's what it was. I think it had the word ninja in it.
I think I was watching a video on how great that was, and you were like, it's horrible.
No, it's not that it was horrible. No, it was a good piece of software.
Really?
It's just it was a lot of work to bring people in. You know, you needed to get an individual address each time, and the way OBS is always fucking up, changing addresses also was not fun. But the main problem was my son was right beside me, and with his mic and my mic, and he was also on the stream. All those mics, I didn't know which ones to turn off, because now there's sound settings in Ninja, there were sound settings on the computer, there were sound settings in OBS.
It gets complicated, doesn't it?
Oh, it does. I didn't know which sounds to do to get rid of the echo, and
yeah, there's a lot to it.
Yeah.
I think your mic's down on my streaming. Did you turn your mic down again?
No.
There's no way I keep turning you up and you keep getting lower. Like everything's maxed out on my end.
Really?
I even got you at 130. I put you at 150.
That's not maxed out. I got you at
I keep going up. I had you at 100, then I had you at 120, then 130. 145. That way, Monday I can move you up again.
I like 150.
Hey, Bama, sometimes we open up and bring other people on the stream and stuff. If you want to come on later or next week or something, come on for a few minutes. Normally do it around, what, Mike, 11:30, depends on how long we're hanging out.
Yeah.
Just go through the Discord.
I'm curious.
Actually, we'll put up Mike's channel there. I'm pretty sure you're already on Mike's channel. Yeah, just go through his Discord. If you want to, just let us know. And I don't know, it depends on how we feel. We don't every day feel like it, but there's quite a bit of days that 11:30 we open up. If you want to come on, you're welcome. Yeah, I feel like it's Friday anyways. We'll just kind of hang out. Setting it up this weekend. Okay. Maybe next week or something. Oh, you don't need, all you need is a mic.
Yeah, you don't hook up the camera.
I mean, you don't have to have the camera. It's up to you. I mean, if you want the camera, it's up to you.
And we control the sound, so you don't have to worry about sound settings. It's our headache.
No, sound's already set. All you gotta have is a clean mic that's not feedback or looping.
That's just me. You just turn off your sound on the stream. You can't be listening to the stream also at the same time. You can have the stream up, but you got to turn the sound off the stream.
Well, sometimes you still get loops because it's in your audio settings and stuff.
Yeah.
I think I was watching one of his videos and he was getting like a crazy loop.
If you're getting a crazy loop, that means you have the audio playing and it's going into your mic. So it goes on stream, goes into your mic, goes on stream, 4 seconds later, back into your mic.
Gonna buy a new mic. Maybe buy a camera, use my phone camera. Hey, I used my phone camera before. It actually worked really good. They got it with Prism where I can just like set my phone camera right to it. I think puts one of those square things on the screen. I forget what they call them. You take a picture of it. It just opens it up right in my phone camera. Actually worked really good. But I went out and bought a camera. I think I tell you this one was like $35, $40 or something. That was stupid cheap. I was looking at all these expensive cameras and my wife's like, why don't you get this one? It's like $200, or why don't you get this one? It's like $250. It's like, don't you want good audio or good video? I'm like, not really. These people they don't want to put their name on the box. That's the one I got. You can, of course you can't see it. Of course you can't see it. Oh, it was there.
Is it circular?
No, that's square.
That's a square one.
AngieTube web streamer. 1080, 60 frames, autofocus, whatever. All that was like $40 or so. It was stupid cheap. I had it set up on the other screen, and I got like a huge window or double glass door behind me.
Okay.
And the whole back of if you go back watching my early videos, like the whole background was washed out.
Oh yeah.
My wife went out and bought this like blackout curtain to put over it.
Oh yeah, okay.
I was like, what the hell are you doing? I'm not blacking out my window. I need the light.
I know what you mean by what overexposed.
Yeah.
Because of the light.
Yeah, it was like super washed out. And she's like, but look at how you look on your stream. You're like, oh, washed out. I'm like, I don't care. If anybody's staring at me that hard, they need help. Yeah, but I put on this other screen, and then it faces kind of the wall over there, and that works out pretty good.
Well, it's you know what, with the green screen, I can't have any light on in my room here. I'm in the dark. I hate that.
I don't have much light either. I see the light hurts my eyes. I don't know how people do it.
More light I put, the more the green screen doesn't work.
I'm almost in the dark.
Yeah. Join the cloud. I hate it.
I like it.
I hate it.
I like it.
My cat lives in perpetual darkness now. I feel terrible.
I got all kinds of lights. I don't have them on. Look, I got one right here. Blue light. I don't know if that turned me blue a little bit. Another one. I got one on my camera. I'm like, yeah, it comes with a light.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, no, I have to turn that shit off.
Yeah, I got a camera light here too. But if you put it too bright, again, fucks around a little bit with the green screen.
I actually stole my wife's light. She was mad for a while. Somebody gave her she had a light in the corner of her living room over there, and somehow it got broken. I think the kids knocked it over or something. But she's telling like a coworker or something about it, and they're like, "Oh, I got one I don't use," and gave it to her. She brought it home, put it in the living room, and then went somewhere. I stole it, put it by the desk. Come back, so where'd my light go? I'm like, I don't know nothing about it. What light?
That's so funny. And I'm just thinking back when I started streaming, I was stealing all kinds of things from the house. I was taking plants from upstairs and putting them behind me. It's like, where's everything?
It's like welcome to marriage. It goes both ways. You take my shit, I take your shit. Going to bed, fellas. Gotta get back to work in a few hours. Win big. Bama, good night. Good morning, whatever time you go to bed. Maybe I need to go to bed. Mike, the only thing I've eaten in 4 days now is for dinner I had some eggs, a little bit of lettuce.
Okay. Yeah, so
oh, and a protein shake. So I had a protein shake, some eggs, and some lettuce.
You were doing that thing, so you have to come off it slowly. So, I wanted to ask you. I was talking about it with my wife. Are you doing it? You did this so that you can like kind of kickstart a new way of eating, or you're going back to your regular meal plan? Let's say whatever.
I don't know. I was just watching some videos on fasting, and I was like, "Screw it, I'll do it."
Okay. Well, I thought you did it to kickstart.
I told the wife, and she kind of laughed about it, like, "Yeah, right." I'm like, "We can do it. I don't care." The hardest part for me was not having my drink in the morning.
Yeah.
But then I did that for 3 days. So I figured I rolled the 3-day fast into a 7-day cleanse.
Yeah, I remember.
I was already 4 days into it, so now I'm already 5 days into it. So.
And I know where I heard it. I was doing the recap yesterday, and you were talking about the cleanse. 7-day cleanse, yeah.
Which is really just don't eat anything processed or sugar or anything like that for 7 days. Pretty much vegetables or meat, maybe fruit. I don't know. I'm sure I'll screw it up eat something I'm not supposed to.
Nah, you know what? You did the hard part. Now go with it.
Yeah. I don't know. The 3-day fast is just supposed to like reset your system. Sounded like a good idea. Then I started hearing people talk about 5-day fast and 7-day fast. I'm like, man, screw all that.
Yeah. Well, 7 days, I don't know. I mean, like I said, I did 7 days, but it was a juice fast, so you were able to, you were taking in nutrition.
Yeah.
You weren't just on water.
You could take a short here.
Yeah, I don't have one yet.
No?
No.
Am I looking at it wrong?
Really.
I think it's getting invalidated. Yep. I got stopped out. Good thing I was late.
Love it when it works out that way, huh? Come on, let's get up to 70 bid. 70 bid.
Today is a good day for pizza. Skeletor, it is pizza day. I don't understand why pizza's so bad. Like everybody says it's so bad, but isn't it just like bread and pizza sauce?
Yeah, and cheese.
Well, cheese ain't bad, is it?
I mean, if pizza's so bad, then a grilled cheese would be bad also. I can't imagine the pizza sauce is bad.
That's what I'm thinking. You think the pizza sauce was pretty much like ragu or something? They talk about what, like all these helpings of vegetables and stuff.
Yeah, maybe it's just the quantity. Maybe, when you eat a grilled cheese, you just have one grilled cheese sandwich. When you have a pizza, depending on how much you eat.
Look, I don't want to brag or nothing, but I can eat some pizza.
You see, no one sits down and has 7 grilled cheese sandwiches. That's the problem.
My wife's like, "Oh my God, each one of those is like 300 calories." I'm like, "What?" Or 3,000? Yeah, was it like 300 or something?
Yeah. I know at one point when I was counting calories and checking, it was a long time ago, and they said the worst thing, the heaviest calorie, junk food or whatever, like maybe popular junk food, was the pepperoni pan pizza from Pizza Hut.
Why? I don't get it.
I said, no, you can put bacon on it and make it worse. I could make it worse.
Maybe it's the pepperoni, or maybe it's the oil they put on it or something.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of oil in the pan pizza. The dough is soaked in oil. Then you got the fat from the cheese, the fat from the pepperoni. Woe is me.
All right, Skeletor, no pizza today. Gonna have to cancel pizza day.
10:30 initial balance.
We can do it for just 1 week. Maybe I'll make my own pizza. Use like some cauliflower and it's the bread.
That's a lot of work. Oh my God! Okay, that kind of pizza, a cauliflower crust.
Yeah.
I'll point you in a better direction. Go on TikTok, maybe go on Pinterest or something, and find out how to make a cottage cheese dough. And before you roll your eyes and say, "Oh my God," because I had that also. I had that same reaction. Are you kidding me? Look, yeah. we made the cauliflower. We tried them all, me and my daughter, over the last, let's say, year and a half. Cauliflower dough, the almond flour one. When you're on keto, you're doing everything with almond flour.
Yeah.
And then she did the cottage cheese one. I swear to God, I said, "Oh my God, that's going to be horrific," because I didn't like all the other ones really. I swear to God, it tastes like real bread. It's amazing.
Yeah, I seen a video of somebody was doing the cottage cheese bread, like a sandwich or something.
Unbelievable. You have to try it. You're going to say unbelievable. So you got high in protein, but the thing is there's some carbs in there, but you know what? In the almond flour also there was carbs. It wasn't carb free, the almond flour dough that we made. I don't know about the cauliflower dough, but the almond flour dough we made, and it was not good. The almond flour dough. I wasn't a fan of it. The cottage cheese one, she makes bagels out of it. She goes, "Dad, you got to taste this. You wouldn't know it's not a real bagel." And I thought she was joking, but no, you wouldn't know. And it's high in protein, very low in carbs. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Yeah, I might try something.
I'll get you the recipe that my daughter makes, and
I don't think I got the cottage cheese.
Yeah. But like what I'm just saying is, when I get you the recipe, then you can compare what you see online. If there's any differences or whatever.
Oh yeah.
And 12 out of 10. Unbelievable. Makes no sense. Who discovered this? Like, you got to be some real experimental chef to figure out that you can blend cottage cheese, mix it with some other ingredients, I don't know what, and it makes a dough.
I think people used to make it a lot of different ways, and then everybody just started doing it all the same way. Yeah. I think now people are starting to get back into trying things different ways. A lot of that stuff's been around a long time. It's just we're so used to a Pizza Hut pizza, or really in the U.S. The U.S. is really bad about bread. I was reading that some other countries, they don't eat a lot of bread. I imagine Canada also real bad about bread and that kind of Western diet stuff.
Yep. Wow, it's quiet in my chat. I can't type in my chat, eh?
Why?
Oh, I told you that. I don't know. I had a theory, but chocolate salty balls are high in protein.
Is that what you tell the girls? Oh, you want some protein?
And it's good for the skin.
And it's good for the skin. And it's good for headaches. And it's guaranteed.
It's good for anything.
Yeah. No, it's good for headaches and it's guaranteed. Don't work the first time?
That's funny. Free resets.
Yeah. Free resets. Guaranteed. You can't beat a good guarantee. So next time she says, I got a headache, tell her, look, it's good for headaches. And it's guaranteed.
It's guaranteed. Didn't work. I don't know what happened. Let's try it again. It should work. It's always worked before. We just got to keep trying. Eventually your headache will be gone.
Yep.
Okay,
all right.
Soon
On that note, I got to take a break before we get ourselves in trouble.
soon I'll be getting into short territory.
I'll be back in a minute.
I'll be able to take a short. Got to get a little lower. I'm looking like 42. Hold on. 42 less 14, 38. We got to get down to 28 bid before I can start taking a short. That's going to get us under the 15-minute opening range. We're still below VWAP and we're below the previous day's close, but I'm still watching the fact that we might take out the Asia session highs at 928. You know what? The market's very strong. Can't argue the strength of the market. I mean, seriously. So who knows what Friday's going to bring? Maybe there's going to be a strong Friday rally and get us even up over the into the 24,000. But as far as I'm concerned, I just got to go with the trend at the moment, and the trend at the moment right now is looking short. Right now, a little while ago, around 10 o'clock, it was looking long, but now it's looking short. Get back on the 1 minute. I'm going to put my swings on this chart. Swing. Was it swing 2? Really? I was using swing 3. How would I know? Go to gold and check it out. What just happened there? Strength 3. Yep. Okay, so strength 3. I like 3 anyways. Swing. It's another name for a fractal. It's the exact same thing. There's no difference. When do we go short? Well, I could say we are definitely, well, I won't use the word definitely, but this swing low over here, we broke it and we had a full candle below. So yeah, it kind of looks like the momentum is shifted to the downside. It really does. And we had a band bounce trade. You know what? I think I got to get back to that. It worked really well. I don't want to... Omnius, I have bad news for you. I am retiring the Omnibot.
Uh-oh.
Not that I don't think it has potential. I think it has a lot of potential, but I can't focus on a counter trend system, and it's not doing better than the band bounce that I was showing you a while ago. So, and at least
bot got fired. All right, the bot got fired.
Bot got fired. Yep, I'm taking it off. I'm retiring it right now. Goodbye.
Do we got to play it like a violin song or something?
It's not that. I don't want to be focusing on two.
Give it like a salute off. Like bot got fired.
Oh, like a
rest in peace.
What do they call that? The 21 gun salute.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll try and rework it again to go with the trend somehow, some way. Maybe just take the first entry, but the first entry, if I take the first entry, it'll be very similar to the band bounce system. Let me see what boom. Yeah, we can take the first entry maybe. Yeah, I like the band. If I'm doing that, I like the band bounce already better.
I want to start trading more on my 2-minute chart. Got to find out, maybe do like an eval or something, or we get more back into that strategy.
Yeah, every time I talk to someone about trading, they're kind of always saying get into the higher time frames.
Well, it's the 2-minute chart. It's still a low time frame, but
yeah,
every time I back test it, like such a high win rate. It's so easy. It's like you're not sitting there staring for a perfect setup or anything. But my problem is trading it live. Is I can't hold a trade. When you're doing the back test, you're just clicking through, right? So it might only take 20 seconds, but in reality, you just click through like 10 minutes.
Yeah, you got the same problem. I think that's why the problem develops. Because we train our brain to think that it hits take profit or stop loss in 10 seconds, when in fact, like you said, we ran through 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's funny that you have the same problem and you do the same thing as
I can not hold a trade for anything. But I think that'll be a good experiment. Help me learn to hold my trade longer.
Yeah. Yeah, do it with a one lot. Like that's what I did with the band bounce. I told you the story. The first week there, I was testing it on sim. Every week it was green. I would take the trade, 2 lot or a 3 lot, and I would just let it run. Shit, some trades I was in for 2-3 hours.
Yeah, but then I got to reset up everything to put it on a different account to be able to take those trades.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe I'd have to have like a different screen. I got too many programs as it is. I thought about just doing it on a sim account on the trading view, but I can't stand the freaking alert thing for taking orders.
Okay.
It's so freaking annoying. I gotta find out how to turn the order alert off. It's like this super loud bell.
I'm sure there's a way.
I don't know. I was looking yesterday. I couldn't find it. See if it worked. Make sure I'm on my paper account. How mad would I be if I was on the wrong account?
It depends. If the trade works out like it did with me when we did the coin flip, you'll be very happy.
I'd probably still be mad. I'd be mad that I put it at risk. No, with the trading view, it's either a paper account or it's my money account. Losing your own money hits different. People don't understand that nowadays because everybody's doing prop firms. They don't realize how lucky they are.
Oh, yeah. It is such an advantage.
You mad at prop firms? I got an idea. Take $5,000, go put it into an AMP futures account. Come back in 2 weeks and then tell me how much you hate prop firms.
Even better. Take $5,000. Take $10,000. Put $5,000 in one account, $5,000 in a different account. Go long in one account, go short in the other account, and then say you want to get paid.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, even in the real market, it's against the rules.
Yeah. But of course, you're not going to get paid. You're not going to get paid on that.
You'll
lose $5,000 and
you'll get a nasty phone call.
Yeah.
And you're gonna be really mad when they liquidate your accounts. No, you're not going to play that bullshit on a real futures.
Strange that they allow you hedging though in the forex. Yeah, it's kind of interesting.
Now you might be able to go about it in a more sneaky way. You might be able to.
No. You're allowed outright hedging. MT4, MT5. You can go long and you can go short. You can have 2 positions
for futures.
No, forex.
Yeah, you're not supposed to on futures though.
No, futures no.
But
in forex with MT4, you can click the buy button. You can click the sell button.
I mean, you can do it in futures. You just gotta be a little bit more cut. Well, what you can do is you can long ES and short NASDAQ.
Yeah. No, but I'm saying, let's say you click the buy market for a 2 lot, right?
Yeah.
And then you click the sell market for a 2 lot.
Yeah.
You close the trade.
Not necessarily. Right?
Yeah, on the same account. Buy market, sell market. You close the trade. What do you mean not necessarily?
Yeah, you would.
Yeah,
you would. I guess you'd close the trade.
Of course, it would close the trade. You don't have to.
I thought you were talking about 2 separate accounts.
Yeah, no. Same account. But in forex, if you click buy market and sell market, you'll have 2 positions. If you want to close your long position, you have to actually hit the close button.
Okay.
So it's different and it's allowed. I mean, even the legitimate brokers, you can do it. You're allowed hedging in the forex world. I don't know why, but
a lot of people think that you can't place buy and sell orders at the same time, but you can. But most of the platforms we use have it set up the other way. You can set it up to where you can place buy and sell orders at the same time.
Yeah. It's a little complicated, the bracket orders, but yeah, you can get them done.
Well, it's not just the bracket orders, it's the way you implement the orders. I don't know if I ever so you know how say you take a position. You're looking at shorts now. Say you take a short. Then say you're 10 points in loss and you take another short. So that's the same position, right?
Yep.
You have the ATM strategy. It all kind of averages out for the same strategy. But you can set it up to where it's not the same strategy. So if you're 10 points in loss, you would take another position. It's a separate order with separate brackets. That makes sense?
You have to show me. Not sure. I mean, I just deal with stop losses and take profit orders. So,
yeah, well, I'm saying, say you're taking multiple orders. You can have your ATM strategy for each of those orders instead of putting them all into one.
Yeah. What do you mean? Yeah, the ATM will display for each individual order.
Well, the way you have it set up now, it'll just average it into the same order.
Not mine.
I'm pretty sure it does.
I'm going to try. We'll see. We'll do a test soon. We'll do a test. Let's see. I'll go to this sim over here. Let's get up the 40 by 40.
Oh, we're tanking right now, aren't we? We'd kind of like to jump in this. Is it too late? I don't know. Still think it's going.
100, 120. That's good. Sell market. Sell market. Yeah, you are right. I was wrong. But I've seen it. I've seen it do it, though, before. That's the funny thing. I've seen it where every time I enter a trade, it puts new orders. You know when that happens? In my strategy builder. I think the strategy builder, the way it places the...
Well, you can set it up to do that. A lot of people don't know that. And like before, you know how some people do the opening trade, they put an order above, an order below.
Okay, yeah.
And a lot of people used to think you can't do that in NinjaTrader, but you can. But if you try to do it, it'll tell you no. You just have to set it up the other way. Still think this is going lower. I don't know. I hate the chase.
I was gonna say, get your finger on the donkey button.
I knew what I was saying. I was telling myself.
Kind of looks like a chase right now.
If I get in now, Malik's going to tell me to play the donkey. Yeah, let's see if I try to. So say I come up here, I place a buy stop, and then come down here, I place a sell stop. We can't submit an exit order to a strategy till any of its entry orders has been filled. So see, it won't let you do it. But you can set it up a separate way and it will let you do it.
Yeah, I haven't studied order entry. I haven't really, you know, like looked closely to see why it does what it does when it does.
I need to do a video on it because so many people keep saying that you can't do it. And it's like, yes, yeah, actually you can. There we go. Let's change this. Fly. Okay. Now let's try it. So now we want to do stop market order. And still stop market. Nope. Still can't do it. All right. So we have to go right here. Once again. Switch this one. Fly. Okay. Try one more time. Buy stop market. Sell stop market. There we go. That's all we had to do. So then now also, watch this jump down real quick and get me into a trade. I never did switch. I never switched the accounts.
Yeah, you're supposed to do that on sim.
Okay, let me first go to a sim account. Stupid idiot.
Don't want to get any unpleasant surprises.
All right. So now let's try again, right? Buy stop. Sell stop. So there we go. That's all we got to do for the opening trade if that's something somebody wanted to do. Can do it. I need to make a video. And then let's go ahead and enter. Actually, what we can do is watch this. Come over here, we can click OCO order. Buy stop. Sell stop. Now when one enters, it's going to cancel the other. Really? Is this hard to get in a trade? There we go. Cancel the opposite order. Then if we add a new order, let's do a buy limit. If it ever goes away from our price. For anybody wondering, I'm just kind of messing around on sim. There you go. Now you have the separate brackets. You can move them around or leave them. Move this bracket, move that bracket, everything's separate orders to be able to move around. Yeah, one day I'll do a video on it for anybody interested. For anybody interested.
I mean, that's...
For anybody interested right now, you just go over to your order panel, right click, click on properties, super easy. Then there's two columns. There's the ATM strategy. You switch it from select active to keep selected. Then you go down to quantity modification for stocks and switch from increase quantity to submit new order. Then to go back, you just reverse that process. Now, hopefully I got it back the right way. Yep, there we go.
What did you say you do? You go into the properties and you click on what? Not on OCO order?
Oh God, there's always that one guy in there.
I was in a trade. I have okay, I'll Google it.
No, I was just messing with you. So do you want the OCO order, or you want the, what are you talking about?
You know what? I'm not going to bother you because I never had a need for it. So
No.
I never had a need for placing an order a certain way and said, shit, I can't figure out how to do it.
No, I'm not in trade. I was just messing with you. Right click on the order entry panel. You'll know how to do it. Go click on properties. So if you want to do an OCO, you should see OCO right there.
Yeah.
So anytime you want to add an OCO order, you just click on that.
Okay, I'm in properties.
Click on properties. And then very first line should be, it should say general, and then it should say ATM strategy, selection mode. You want to click on that and change it from select active to keep selected.
So now everyone is separate. Is that it?
And then you can do just that. Let's see what that'll do. But then also you want to go down, you want to see quality modification. And you can click submit new order for additional quantity. See that one?
Let me try that. No, I went out. I was trying the one that you told me. Properties.
Properties. Quantity modification.
Quantity modification. Submit new order for additional quantity. Okay.
Right. Submit new order.
Well, do you need that with keep selected? Maybe you can just do submit new order with select active ATM strategy. Did you try both all 4 combinations?
Almost clicked the button on the wrong account. So if you do that, and then you click another one. I mean, it probably works.
I never even knew all those things were in there. It's amazing how many features are in.
So what that might do also is you set the quantity for new orders. So that might go by your quantity for new orders instead of your quantity for your ATM strategy.
Keep selected ATM strategy template on order submission. Keep selected ATM strategy. Select active ATM strategy.
Select active.
Sounds
if you
the
want,
same to me.
If you want to go back,
the active one is the one you've chosen, and keep selected is to keep the one you've selected, which is the one you've chosen. It really sounds like the same language to me. Select active, or in other words, use the active.
No,
one.
because when you have your active one, you're adding additional orders. So if you go down the same thing, you'll see scale quantity, and that's going to tell you how much you scale by.
Okay.
So I got mine on 4. You got yours on 2. So every time you add another order, you're adding by 2.
Yeah. Oh, I'd have to play with it. I have to see what it all does. But like I said, I never had a need for it. That's already very fancy order management.
Mm-hmm. I guess I better check my orders, make sure before I go back to the other one.
Before you close up for the weekend.
Come back Monday, I'll be pissed. What the fuck's going on?
It's going to be more a case of your accounts were closed because you held the position or you had active orders.
Yeah.
After 5 o'clock.
I think Bulenox just closes your orders.
There were a couple of firms. I don't remember anymore. There were a couple that did. Yeah, definitely.
I think Bulenox is one of the ones that they'll just close your order. Not 100% sure. I wouldn't test it.
Bulenox team, your accounts have been adjusted. Please restart your platform. Okay.
Oh, they got you? Well, good news.
I don't know. It's the third time they told me that.
Sad that it took a week.
No, don't. Are you taking their word for it? Like I said.
Well, if they said they did it, I mean, why wouldn't they?
I don't know, same reason. Yeah, it's true. They never said they did it. They told me they were going to do it. Connections. There is a difference. We're at the previous day's low.
Yep.
They are reset.
Sweet.
There you go.
Now the question is, did you lose a week?
Yeah.
Because
it was on Monday. It should have been.
I mean, that's not really fair.
Yeah, big deal.
I'd maybe message him and say, look, I appreciate you, reactivating my account after I lost a week, but can we do something about the week I lost?
And if I was tech support, I would reply to you and it said, you know what? I looked at your name and your first name wasn't Ball and your second name Buster. So leave me alone. Trade faster, that's all.
Well, I mean, you pay for a month. You don't pay for 3 weeks or 2.5 weeks.
You're right.
I mean, all we're asking for is legitimately like what you paid for.
Well, yeah, but I think that's...
If I pay a tire guy to change 4 of my tires and he changes 3 of them, I'd be kind of mad about it. Right? If I go to the donut shop and I pay for 4 donuts, they give me 3. I'm gonna fucking raise hell.
Yeah, no, I know what you mean, but I don't know. They've trained me to think that it's very difficult to make any changes to the accounts like that. Especially with Apex. I remember in the early days with their big bold warnings. We cannot refund you if you selected the wrong platform.
Yeah, I remember those.
In big bold letters. Like, really? Why? Why is it so hard? Oh, if you didn't pay your activation fee in time and your account renewed, we cannot refund you under any... Why? Why can't you? What's so difficult? This was the only business that had such a difficulty refunding.
Yeah, right. Something that don't even exist. We can't refund you something that doesn't even exist.
We just can't get into the system. It's an impossibility. Yeah, all you do is you just credit the guy a certain amount of money. That's all.
That's just them not wanting to. Trying to think of what companies it was that you lost your account if you were still in a trade at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. It used to be 4 o'clock.
I think it's all of them.
No, I don't think
have that rule. Some of them
Apex
have the rule that they close your positions.
Yeah,
they have the rule.
They have the rule, but they'll just close your positions. Some of them will actually disqualify your account.
Well, here's the problem. Even with Apex, I think they'll close your positions, but they won't cancel if you have outstanding orders. If you have outstanding orders, you theoretically, if I know correctly, you still lose the account.
I want to say that Bulenox will close everything. I think Apex will too. I don't know. It's too hard to keep up with them. But I know a few years ago I used to trade with a different one. It was called I think it was called U Profit.
Okay, I remember them.
And if you have an order or you're in a trade after 4 o'clock, not 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, you lost your account.
Yeah, you know what? Things like that are so stupid because they can easily put it into the software to close the order for you.
Mm-hmm.
And you know what was another one in the days? If you went over your allowed size.
Right. So if you went over your allowed size, that's it. Lost the account.
That was insane. I said, my God. There's no platform in the world that allows you to go over your allowed size if it's your own personal account. If you have margin for 5 contracts, you can't buy 10. It won't allow you. The order will get rejected because you don't have margin for it.
Also, the margins auto added. So like I get emails from Amp Futures and they say like during high news events, they they email me and they tell me that margin has changed.
Okay.
People don't understand that either. When like this morning, I bet they probably did it with that jump. So CPI and PPI, I'm pretty sure they would have done it. But the margin changes. It's not the same. And they'll message you and you'll try to take a trade and come to find out, instead of needing $100 or $50, you need freaking 500 or 5,000.
Yeah. And your order gets rejected.
Yeah, it gets rejected. Yeah.
They don't say they're taking all the money in your account.
how about this one, Mike? If you're in the trade and it changes, they'll liquidate it.
They'll close it, yeah.
Not close it, liquidate it. They'll exit you out the trade, and whatever you're out, you're just gone.
That sounds like close it to me.
Yeah, they don't give a shit. Oh, you lost $1,000? We don't give a fuck. Shouldn't have been the trade. Serious.
No, I know.
People don't realize like how good we got it with freaking prop firms.
It was such a ridiculous rule to have you lose the account because you traded too much size. The platform is supposed to say that's all you can trade.
And a lot of people don't know it, but with a real account, you can actually go into the negative. They make you sign an agreement saying that you know that.
Oh, yeah?
They'll try to liquidate your position, but if they don't in time, like you know those times where it drops 100 points?
Yeah.
Say you're in there and you've only got like $1,000 and it drops and you just lost $3,000. You owe them $2,000.
Yeah, well, that makes sense. It was your position. Why should they be responsible for it? There is someone on the other side of the transaction, and that person made money, and he wants it. This is the real world. This is the big boy world. It's not poker. There's no all in. You know?
No.
if the guy bets 5,000 and you have 1,000 and you accept, you owe the guy. If he wins, you owe him $1,000.
Yeah, they don't care what happened. They don't care. Your stop loss didn't work. We don't care. You owe us money.
Wait, I went all in. You just take my chips. Just take what I have. No, don't work that way.
And the real futures, they don't care about anything. Look, you took this trade. You lost, but my stop. No, we don't give a fuck about your stop loss. Didn't work. We don't care. You owe us money.
Hey. Yeah, but they must deal with so many people that argue because they don't know. They don't understand. They don't read.
They don't care. You sign the agreement when you sign up for it.
Yeah. I got a short trade at 93, but it's right at the previous day's low. So
yeah, I was looking at that. Yeah. And there's a pivot point right below it.
Yeah. So
and we're at a support spot.
Well, no one's chatting, so why do I even have the chat open since it's not working? I'm going to have to close down OBS later and reopen it, and maybe even reboot my computer and see why it's not working.
You just leave your computer running?
Yeah.
I turn mine off every day. I mean, it literally takes, what, a minute to load up?
Yeah.
I mean, it's so fast nowadays.
93. If it's going to go, the target would be 86.
Yeah, I think when I was with you, Profit, yeah, if you was in a trade or had a position or something after 4 o'clock, not 5, 4 o'clock, then you lost your account. Now, I remember when I changed it from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, and everybody was messaging you, Profit. They're like, well, futures has changed. Why haven't you changed? I think that's the original reason I switched from them to Apex. I think Apex was allowing you to go to 5 o'clock, and they would only allow 4 o'clock.
Yeah, in those old days, all the rules that were just common sense and weren't there, and then a firm would offer it, and it's like, okay, we're all switching, we're all running to Top Step because now it's 5 o'clock and they close your orders, you know. And then Apex, we put in a blocker so you can't trade higher than your allowed lot size, so you won't lose your account by an accident. Oh, we're all going to Apex because now they have that rule. You know?
Yeah.
People used to say, what if I go over and I close it in 10 seconds? Oh, no.
Nope, lost your account.
We can't offer any refunds.
That's crazy, isn't it?
It was ridiculous. That was an eye roller.
Yeah, Apex used to be really good back then. They didn't have much rules. Nobody got denied payouts. And then Top Step, Matt used to push them like crazy, but they were so expensive. It's like, shit, if I'm gonna pay $150 for an eval, why don't I just put $1,000 into my real account? You know, I'd rather trade $1,000 of my own money rather than put $150 into a eval.
I think in the beginning it's because they were maybe using the same price structure as forex. I don't know if you've ever looked at the forex world.
Not really.
The forex world is mind-blowingly expensive. You want a $50,000 account? I think it's like $600. It's crazy. I'm exaggerating, but it's probably $200 or $300 for a $50,000 eval in forex.
That's why I don't understand why people don't just trade futures.
Yep.
I seen a comment.
There you go, skeleton. 100K is $500.
Oh fuck!
And it works the same thing. It works the same thing. I think they give you a little bit more drawdown. I think they give you 8% drawdown. I'm not sure.
Yeah, but if I was gonna spend $500, legitimately, you know, Skeletor was in that world. Fuck that. But if I was gonna spend $500, here's what I would do. I'd take the $500, I'd put it into an AMP account, AMP futures, and trade my own money. Why would I want to give them $500?
Yeah, once you're giving that much money, it's...
If I'm going to lose $500, why not lose it on my own account? No rules, no this bullshit or that bullshit. No answering the daddy every night. Did you do this? Did you do that?
Take a video of your trade.
Take a video of yourself patting yourself on the head and dancing on one leg. The fuck, for what? If I wanted to do all that, you know, I'd be out there doing some other job. No. We trade for freedom, not to freaking answer to daddy every fucking night. Leave me alone.
Yeah, one of the things also that kind of, for me, defied common sense was the one, show us that the trade you took was your setup. Excuse me? You're allowing everyone to trade. Do you know most traders are impulsive and are experimenting with different setups?
So you're only allowed to have one setup for life.
Seriously?
That's crazy.
Oh, that was an impulsive trade? Or you saw the market running and you jumped on board, or whatever it is you decided, even if it was an emotional or a revenge trade, but it didn't follow your plan, we're not going to pay you because it worked out? Like, really? What are you, standing over my shoulder on every trade and telling me if that's not your setup?
Yeah, see, I don't like all that stuff.
And it's crazy because, you know what? They let it slide. As long as it loses, they let it slide. And that's implied. That's implicit or implied
consent, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's the word.
Implied consent because you didn't deny it when I lost. I would argue that. So look, you implied consent.
Yeah, oh yeah. I think that's a winnable court case.
You know, when they was denying everybody payouts and they're like, well, this has been in the rules forever. It's like, well, you've been letting it slide forever. When you let it slide, you implied consent. So you gave consent.
Especially if you didn't, if I was doing it and I was losing money and you allowed it to pass, and then I paid you again and you allowed it to pass, but then I make money and you say no.
Mm-hmm.
Problem is, you've read those contracts, right? Do you see how you sign? Do you see how you sign your rights away in those contracts?
Yeah,
it
some
is
of them.
Crazy. You basically allow them to do anything. We can do anything, and you can't complain.
Oh wait, you literally can't complain. It's in the contract. That's the best one. We can do whatever we want, and you can't complain about it.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll sue you.
If we do, we close your account.
Yeah. That was Apex. Oh, guys, y'all were breaking the rules by complaining. What was it? They was on the... Everybody was on one of the forums or something, complaining. Like, guys, y'all are breaking the rules by complaining.
Yeah.
We'll shut y'all's accounts down and sue you. It's like, what the fuck? Are you for real? So not only are they going to do stuff they know people don't like, but if you complain about it, we'll shut your accounts and sue you. Oh, they was threatening one time. They was taking screenshots and stuff. I'm not threatening people to close their accounts for complaining.
Yeah, I remember those days. That was when they got overburdened in their Discord, I think it was, or something. Well, they said they had, and I believe them. They said they had a bunch of moderators that were just volunteers.
Yeah.
You know, like you, me, Joker, Woodchip, Bama, Stunts. So, you know, they're not paid nor trained to be polite and nice all the time. So when someone says something, you know, they just tell them, hey, go fuck yourself, you know? What just happened? $11 points of range in the 1 minute chart. There's still some range. There's still, I guess, possibility for some kind of movement. Coin flip, ding a ding a ding a ding. I just got coin flip alerted. Look at you so quick.
Heads. You hear how creaky my chair is?
No, I didn't hear anything.
Really? I need to like spray something. I'm like leaning back. It's like creaking and stuff.
Yeah, no, I guess the noise reduction cuts it out. I'm laughing because mine used to make noise too until I sprayed it. Holy shit, would it make noise? Let me see now. Yeah, no, it's quiet now.
Mine makes all kinds. You don't hear that?
No. Nothing. Zero.
I can see it moving the meter.
No, I'm telling you. Go listen to my stream. You'll see. What time is it? 11:16. 03. On the stream. Go to 11:16.
Well, that must be Discord doing its job then.
Yeah, you won't hear anything. I heard one tiny little noise. Kind of sounded like you stepped on a mouse's tail.
Yeah, that's about what it sounded like.
Just one tiny little one. But it was very quiet enough in the background. Okay, we're long at 10.75 with an exit at 20.75. We're getting there. 4 points away, 3 points away. Let's go. Boosh. I don't do my memes anymore. I miss them. They were fun.
Let's see how loud, if I take a sim trade on TradingView, how loud it is in my ear. Let me take one out.
Just in case. You know, you do have a volume control, right?
Where?
For your buds, you can lower the volume. What do you think? They're not permanently set.
Then I won't hear me and I won't hear you. Me and you are so low. Like everything else is like super loud.
Oh yeah, that's odd.
I was telling you before, we gotta like find out how to up our voices. Like my
Yeah, I told you I checked. We are lower than other streams. I compared it to 4 other streams. I had yours, mine, your stream, my stream, and then a browser. I would play yours. I would play mine. We were about the same, and then I would play, let's say, beginner trading, warrior trading, Patrick Whelan, Nutty Bar. They were all louder than us at the same volume, exactly the same volume settings. Full volume on the browser, and of course the computer volume was.
My Spotify, I got it so low, like I barely can't even move it. Like it's all the way to the left. Like it's up like it's up like 3% or something.
Jackpot sound. The coin flip just took a winner. The account is now at 50,534. Almost a new equity high. I think it was 616. If the next trade wins, it's a new equity high.
I mean, I could easily boost my volume, but I don't know how to. I guess I could boost your volume. I don't know. Mess around with another time. Maybe next week. All right, how loud is this freaking? Oh, I didn't even hear it. Did it actually work? I turned it off yesterday, but it was still doing it. Or is it just not coming through the... Might not be coming through the headphones.
I don't hear anything.
Let's
Okay, you know what? I better change my settings on every spin, because if I don't do it on the first one, then I might forget on the second one.
Oh, I think it actually worked. Yesterday it was still doing it. I turned it all the way off. Oh, that's cool. I hated that sound. So loud, so annoying.
Okay, August 14. What is it? August 15.
Yeah, maybe I could take some sim trades over here.
Day 14 results. Balance.
I'd have to find a way to tell people that that's a sim, though. I don't want people thinking like that's my actual trading.
Yeah, well, that's why I display the accounts or the numbers at the end of the day.
Yeah.
But
like I want to be able to work on this See, that's what sucks is like other people, like they can work on strategies throughout the day where we're actually streaming and it's like got people watching. So I don't want people to think that I want to work on it and I want to do it in sim or an eval, but I don't want people thinking that that's my actual trading.
Well, that's what I do. I test all the bots and stuff on sim. That's my sandbox.
It's like, hey, you know, like you could tell people, but like anything on this chart right here is going to be it's either sim or real money. That's the only two options. You'll know the difference if I lose $500. Start punching the screens. I gotta be careful also on the Quan Tower because on Quan Tower it's a bit more difficult to be in a sim environment.
Okay.
You gotta like set up like sim charts or something. So it's set on my actual account. And I gotta be careful I'm not like placing an order. How mad would I be if I placed the order and didn't know it and lost all my money? That's real shit, man.
Yeah. Not fun. So Bitcoin went to 126,000 and then it came down to 117,000. I'm just looking over here. That's 6, 7, that's 9,000. That's almost 7% in like just a couple days, 2 days. Could you imagine if the NQ fell by 7% in 2 days? What would 7% be? That would almost be 1,700 points in 2 days. Isn't the volatility in Bitcoin is crazy, eh?
Yeah, but I mean, if you're trading Bitcoin, you should be used to it by now. What's down 6%? But it looks so small on the chart.
Yeah.
That's just normal for Bitcoin.
It is.
But at the same time, I think a lot of people don't realize this, but it's likely that Bitcoin's fixing to drop like 50%.
That's the thing, yeah. 50%, yeah. In the old days, it used to be 80, 60, 70, 80, 90%.
Yeah.
I think that's I don't think that's going to happen anymore for Bitcoin.
We are seeing a trade here. What do you think?
I was short.
Do it.
Took profit.
Oh man, I was late. Oh, why? I want to be late. Should have been halfway to my take profit.
You know what? I was just thinking we should call out our trades when we get in. Like you just called out your trade, but I didn't call out my trade. But the thing is, I don't want to annoy you because I'm a little more active, you know? And,
no, we don't have to call out our trade. Look, it's on the chart. People can see it. Can't see it?
No, for you. I should have called it out for you, not for...
Yeah, I do my own trades.
Okay.
Then you'll be cheerleading. I hate it when people cheerlead their trades. You ever see that? You like watch people and they're like, "Oh, it's going. Come on, baby. Come on, it's got to go. Come on, let's do it. Go down. Huh?
Isn't that what push is?
I mean, that's just saying push, but I mean like some people like cheerlead their trades, or they're like getting like real mad and stuff. Oh, this always happens to me. I can't never every time. It's like, dude, you're a trader. Get over it, man. I don't know, that's one of the things that'll make me quit watching people. Like, look, I'm trying to do my own trade, and here you are cheerleading yours or crying about it. Not saying you, I'm saying other streamers.
Yeah, sure you are. No, I don't cheerlead. I cry about my trade sometimes, but...
I mean, at least you wait till it's over.
My discipline is a lot better lately, so there's a lot less. I had a bad period though. I don't know if that was like Friday. I don't know if it was. It was probably 2 weeks ago, Friday to Wednesday. I was doing. Well, you know, you saw it: the 30 lots, the 50 lots, the 100 lots. I'm back to smaller lots again. I mean, I don't mind assigning an account specifically for that purpose.
I missed a comment from Skeletor a few minutes ago. I want to work with strategies too, but this weekend Battlefield 6 opens. Oh man, gotta get to Battlefield 6, huh? Oh man.
I'm assuming that's a game, right? Everyone's a gamer.
Yeah, it's a game.
I'm losing my poker chips.
I don't play it though. About the only game I play is Fortnite with the kid.
Ooh.
Gotta have at least one game you can play with your kids. Like your kids are a little bit older. I don't know. You could probably. Your kids are still young enough. They're playing games. Go play a game with them, man. Don't matter if you win or lose.
Do you know how good they are?
Doesn't matter. No kid ever said, "Oh, my dad's playing with me again. He sucks." What they say is, "Oh man, my dad's playing with me, man. That's cool."
Nope.
Go buy a pizza and go to your kids and say, "Look, I got pizza. Let's play some Fortnite or some Battlefield." Put on the Battlefield 6. I got pizza. Here's some Cokes. Let's play. That's all they care about. Look, I've been in this trade for like 2 or 3 minutes. It's already eaten me alive. Like, win or lose or whatever you want to do, just fucking do it.
I haven't heard you say that in a while.
What's that?
That's true. Exactly what you just said. You know, get there already. Just finish up. You know, do what you need to do and give me my stop loss or my take profit.
Everybody's like, "Why don't we see you in trades that much?" I'm like, well, because my trades last about 30 seconds. So if you blink, it's gone. Half of my trades are done by bots you don't even get to see.
But I can run Omnibot. I can keep it running.
Yeah, but you're running a bot on one screen and then you got your trades on the other. But because you're running both NinjaTrader. I mean, if I put NinjaTrader on the other one, then people would be able to see more of my trades, but
I turned it off because it was a counter trend system.
Yeah.
But I can keep it on sim, and I can keep testing it. I mean, I do like it. I can keep testing it. First off, it'll give me insight.
I think I've been in this trade longer than I want to be. I might just have to get out. Once I get out, it'll go. You know it'll go once I get out.
Mm-hmm. Count to 10. You know the rule.
8, 5, 7. That was my chance to get out again. You told me to count to 10. I could have got out. Ah!
Uh-oh.
It hurts. It's burning. Hurts so bad.
Uh-oh. Come on. Push.
What do you mean push? Are you
lower,
fading me?
push lower. No,
Oh.
push lower. No, you're short, no?
Yeah, short.
Yeah, okay. Push lower. Pull, whatever you want. Dump.
You told me I couldn't say push to go lower.
Okay, dump. Dump.
There you go. Skeletor said it. Push down. Push down.
You got
There you go. We started saying that.
Now
Push up or push down. Push down.
You can't blame me. It went back to your price. There you go. 04. There you go. Leaving lower now.
It wants to go lower. I'm taking it. I don't care. I don't want to be in the trading.
There you go. Whew. Note to self. Don't tell Omnius what to do anymore.
God, that was 6 minutes. I was in a trade for 6 minutes. Like swing trading.
You're an investor.
I'm officially a swing trader. Yeah, I'm already a swing trader, but I mean, so none of y'all like do anything but futures? Like you don't swing trade or invest or anything?
You're asking me, or you're asking
you or Skeletor or whoever else is there?
No, I have a small position in a gold company, but that's about it. No, now I'm all focused on this.
I think I'm gonna start doing some stock review videos. You ever watch that guy? I think Traveling Trader or something?
Beginner trading?
No, I think it's
Travis.
No, it's like Traveling Trader or something.
Never heard of that one.
Really?
That one's new to me.
See if I can find it.
I know one guy that's a traveling trader, but the name of his channel is Etienne Cret. It's a French name.
Yeah, the Traveling Trader. Really? You never heard of him?
No.
He's got like 350,000 subs.
Wow. Is he always traveling?
I guess so. He is in hotel rooms a lot.
It's not Cameron Foose, is it?
I don't know how people can like pay for these hotel rooms all the time.
Because Cameron Foose, he used to be called Foose 4 or Cameron Foose, but then I think he changed his thing. I wonder if it's Cameron Foose. You know who Cameron Foose is?
Nope, never heard of her.
A guy. Let me see.
Yeah, go check out the Traveling Trader. He has some cool content, but he does stocks and some kind of future stuff. And
that's what Foose was doing. That's why I'm gonna go check it out.
I think he live streams, but you got to be in a paid Discord or something. He's got paid plans.
He trades crypto. Yeah, that would make sense too. Definitely, that would make sense.
Who trades crypto?
I don't know. I think he's talking about. Oh, Skeletor is saying he knows. Either he knows Cameron Foose or he knows Traveling Trader. Foose, yeah.
Foose.
Yeah, that's why I'm thinking maybe that's who he's talking about.
Woodchip, good morning.
I'm not sure. I mean, because Foose changed his name, and I think it was something like Traveling Trader. Let me go take a look.
Yeah, go check out Traveling Trader. He puts out video. He gets a lot of views.
Nope, that's not Foose. Definitely that's not Foose.
Look, he put this one out one day ago. It's got 39,000 views. The market is getting complacent. Get ready. Uh-oh.
It's crazy, eh?
Urgent. Video, here you go. Urgent. Watch before Monday.
Urgent.
Yeah, that's kind of that's kind of title as you need. Urgent. Watch before Monday.
But wait a minute. Oh, 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. So every week he puts that out.
No, he's got one day ago, 4 days ago, 7 days ago.
No, the urgent.
Oh, yeah.
11 days ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Prepare for Monday. Every prepare for Monday is an urgent.
Once in a lifetime opportunity. This shit is not moving. I know. That's why I can't trade. I'm good where I'm at. I'm up on the day. I mean, it doesn't have to be a big day. Look, it's a Friday.
Hey, what's up? Oh,
I think we kind of went into the day knowing that we wasn't going to get that much. If I do nothing right now, then like I said, that was what, red Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That'll make even Friday will be green. That's a good week. And I was even green on Thursday. So, you know what? Fuck it. If I see a good trade, I'll take it. I thought that one I just took was a good trade, but once it turned into a swing. Oh, see? See? I got out. Look what happened. I just looked at it. I'd have stopped out if I'd have stayed in the trade. That's why I say it. I wanted either to go or just get me out of the trade. I can't be in the trade for 5 minutes. That's swing trading.
I'm glad you got out because, like I said, I didn't want to take the blame for maybe influencing you to hang on. What's up? I passed my take profit trader account today.
I'm going to take a break. Be back.
I think you can see the balance there. 56.50. I'm at 53,005. So I get the funded. Woohoo! I made it before expiration. Now I gotta go read on their website what the process is and what the rules are for the Pro or the Pro Plus or whatever it is. Yeah, well, it wasn't the same speed as Mike's stunts, but still, I got to the finish line. I guess that's what counts, right? I know, I'm very consistent. Good numbers. I'm very consistent as long as I trade small. I think if I look at the account, you know what, I'm going to take a look. I don't think I had many losing days in that account. Let me go see the graph. I'm curious actually for myself. Today's a green day, up 56, so that we know. Trading. Take profit trader. Log in. Log in. Oh, there's a little note. The subscription will expire on 0904. Oh, I have a little bit of time left, but anyway, so it's finished. Now I hope I don't have to fight with them for not paying an activation fee. Remember the thing that happened? Let me see. That's an update. Well, a down day, minus $3. $100. That's 2 down days. 3 down days. This one was $325. 3 down days. That's up. That's it. 3 down days. And the up days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 green days, 3 down days. That's what it took to get me across the finish line. Wow, that's kind of strange.
Is that the take profit trader?
Yeah, my biggest losing day was $325.
Shit, that ain't nothing.
I had 3 losing days. One was 100 and one was $3. So I lost $3 on one day, $100 and $3.25.
You cut out again. Your voice skipped again.
Yeah, I said that I had 3 losing days: minus $3, minus 100, and minus $3.25.
I mean, that's
21.
That's good stats, though.
Yeah, 21 winning days.
That's good stats.
Yeah, but it's slow.
That's okay.
It is. I'm not complaining. But I would really like to be able to increase the speed, and I can't. And how do I know I can't? Because I tested on my evals. See, I'm protecting my well, I considered this a funded account because it expired.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for me, my psychology was different. I didn't think of it as an eval.
Okay.
So it was under protection mode, and my fundeds also. I protect them. But I try to go quicker on the evals. You see it, but I don't know. You know what? I think we have to agree. My discipline's not there on the evals when I try to go faster. I mean, you see the stupidities I do sometimes, right? And you say, "Geez, Mike, what are you doing?" You know.
Oh, was I supposed to answer that out loud?
No, you know.
I'm pleading the fifth.
Nothing nice to say. Say nothing. But no, it's all in an effort to try and figure out how to scale what I can do. You know, I want to scale my skills. I know I have crazy skills. I'm just having it's mental. It's all psychological, you know?
Mm-hmm.
It's all psychological. I just got to get through that barrier for bigger numbers and just trade like I trade. I would love to use a copy trader and just use a ratio, but my copy trader stinks. I need to find a good copy trader.
I think that one I see other people using looks really good. Just telling you, I watched affordable indicators or something.
Yeah, but nothing beats Top Step.
I was watching a video the guy was doing. He's talking about you can set it so when you pass the eval, it won't trade. Or you can set like a stop loss for the day. You only want to lose like $300, and once you go below that, it won't trade the account.
Yeah, well, yeah, you got to set a PDLL.
So you're copying the different accounts, but each account might have a number you're looking for. So maybe these accounts are 300, these are 500, and the guy was saying that you can set it for every account. And then you can tell it like what it is. So as soon as you hit your goal on your eval, it cut it off and won't trade it. To me, that would be great. Like they're adding a lot of features in for people to use with the evals. Or the funded. I mean, same thing.
I don't know how that would make sense. I'm copy trading, but one has a different daily loss limit. I mean, it would only make sense if your following accounts have lower daily loss limits. They certainly can't have a higher daily loss limit unless you're using ratios.
I don't know what happened. It seemed like your voice just went down a lot. You talking softly?
No, I changed to studio mode. I just changed my settings.
Oh, yeah.
Because you said I was cutting out, so
Still got you at 145.
Yeah, but raise it. I'm going to stay here in studio mode. Oh, I don't know. Raise it. Check on your stream. I don't know. Because I know from my stream, it's perfect.
Studio says it's open mic.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to. Why not? OBS is open mic. Before you were in Discord, weren't you open mic all the time? When you were using Line 6 or whatever, and you were just streaming on your own before you ever heard from me?
No, I have
mic all the time.
No. I have 2 noise gates. I have 2 noise gates on line 6.
Oh yeah? I never used the noise gate.
And then in Prism, I got, let's see, click on it real quick. I got noise suppression, which works really great. And then I have an expander that works really great.
I don't know even what expander does.
Like a noise gate, but it works in a different way. So if you don't have any of that, and then you turn the Discord to just open mic, you're not gonna have anything. Just put it on custom and try out the auto sensitivity. Let Discord determine. See how that works. That's what I put it on. So we'll see.
No.
Hmm?
I'm going to try Studio now. We'll see. Nothing
Okay.
bad about it. Well, we never gave Studio a chance, I don't think. We've always been on custom or on the other one.
Probably because your volume went to half.
Yeah, so just raise it. That's all. You're just picking it up. When I go to Studio, I guess maybe there's a volume setting somewhere even for me. Just raise it now and just. I'm going to stay here. I'm not going to run around. I'm going to go take a look. But
Check.
If output, input. No.
Oh God, you're so low.
Oh, wait a minute. There you go. How about now? Now it probably just shot up.
I hear you.
My mic volume was low. It should be better now. Let me click escape just to lock it in. Now it's better. It's louder.
I can't concentrate. I hear like 10 of you.
We're dumping. We're missing the trades. I can't say we're missing the trades. I'm missing the trades. We're dumping.
I don't know if it's coming through on the stream. I gotta turn it off. But there's a lot of noise coming through here also.
Okay, I'll go back. Voice isolation.
Yeah, that's a lot better. Try the custom with the
I was on the custom before. 11:45 coin flip. Let's get that done. And then we'll do the custom.
yeah, whatever you're on now sounds way better than what you was just on.
Okay, now I just went to custom. Give me all the dials. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. No, that was the alarm for the coin flip.
No, it was your fan or something. It was really loud. I don't know if it came through the stream like that. Mark it the time. What is it? 11:44. Heads.
Heads, we're going long. Let me just make sure we're on the right account. We are. There we go. We are long at 753. Take profit at 763. In my opinion, a good trade is at 748 because you're only risking 5 points. You get in at 748, you put your stop at 743, and you put your take profit at 763. It's 15 points or a 5-point stop loss. That's my theory. That's my running theory.
I missed Skeletor's comment because you was distracting me, but said he got stopped out and then the fucker pushed. Wait, what pushed? We're going lower.
Guys, we trade the coin flip strategy at 11:15 and 11:45 every day. The account is currently sitting at $50,559. And if this trade's a winner, we're going to be at a new high water mark. We do also trade the 15-minute opening range retest every morning, if one of us can remember.
Right.
Even though we have alarms. Oh, we're getting there. You know what? I should run it on the. You guys don't get to see it because it's running on my other computer. I should run it. You know what? From now on, we're going to run it all the time. I'm going to open up the Bulenox accounts.
Man, that trade that I would have got stopped out on, that it would have stopped me out and then it would have like dumped, huh? Like, that would have been a great trade.
Nah, come on. You wouldn't have sat through all that. That's 40 points of drawdown.
Is that what it was?
Above.
No, I didn't. No, I got stopped out. I have a stop loss.
Yeah, you were getting out. You got out at, it was 804. I remember 804, 802, 803 in that area. And it went up to 840.
No, 820.
Pretty much.
No, 820.
More than 820.
I'm looking at it.
Up to, it did a 15-minute retest again.
No.
What time were you in the trade? Weren't you in the trade at 11:15, or are you talking maybe it was 11:30?
11:23 to 11:30.
Ah, okay. Yeah, no, then it only went up to 20. Yeah, no, I thought you were in at 11:07, whatever.
If I wouldn't have moved my stop loss, I might not have got stopped out. It would have came like right to it, but I would have. So I definitely got stopped out.
Take care, Skeletor. Have a good weekend.
I'm glad I got out the trade, but then it came back and it would have stopped me out. Definitely that, and then dumped. Later, Skeletor. Have a good weekend.
Why are we doing that? Another take profit. We got to 63.
Sweet. Where'd you get that sound from?
Just put your cursor on the display, on the Discord display, and then there's a little speaker with like these little whatever.
Really?
But it's also on the main Discord channel. If you go see where your voice connected, video connected, there's something called if this would go away now. There's some open soundboard.
Where you put your cursor over the picture, like mine or yours?
Yeah. And then you're gonna see like the fifth icon from the left.
What do you got? Right click?
No. Down below, a little menu I think should open up.
I don't see it.
Move your mouse around.
Like the options
over your face. Yeah. There's a mic. There's a camera. There's your share screen. The fourth one is.
I don't see any of that.
Really? I'll take you a screenshot. Here, hold on. Print screen. I'll put my mouse right over.
I see the three dots.
Yeah, I'll put my mouse right over it. Print screen. I'll get you a screenshot. Hold on.
I can click on it, kind of change it. I don't like that. Right click, mute, deafen, focus on this person. Maybe it's just you because it's your Discord. Or maybe this is it at the bottom. I do see where it says share your screen. It's got a controller, 3 dots, and then it's got like a speaker thing.
Yeah, that's it. The speaker thing.
Okay, for me, that's not at the bottom. It's always there at the bottom of the screen.
Mine just comes up, but you also have it on Discord.
That's it. That's what I'm talking about. On Discord.
The main Discord thing. Yeah, you have it on Discord. It's always there, and on.
I don't know. What about the duck?
Ah, there you go.
Oh, and it pops up. That's all they give you? Add sound. Oh,
yeah, they give you 6. Yeah, you can add sound, but I think you might have to pay to add a sound.
Oh, you can browse. So you can add your own.
Yeah, I've tried it. It never worked.
Really? Might have to check that out.
Let me try.
What we got? 11:51. If anybody wants to chat or something, if you want to, go open chat up for a few minutes. Is anybody there? I don't see anybody there.
I don't even know if it has to be an MP3 or a wave. Well, let's try an MP3. I have an MP3 and a wave for cancel all orders.
You want to see if anybody wants to chat for a few minutes?
I can't. Yeah, give me just a second.
Well,
do you hear it?
No, I didn't hear nothing.
You see, I can choose the sound, but I can't click upload. Okay, that's MP3. Let me try wave. Upload sound. Browse. Maybe it wants a wave file. Nope, same thing. Won't let me upload it, so I don't know. Maybe you got to be. Maybe you got to be a. I mean, I am a paying member. I pay them $3 a month or something. Discord.
Anybody in the chat want to hop on Discord, chat for a few minutes? Instead of switching over, we'll just see if anybody jumps in there before we switch. If you want to. If you don't want to, we won't. It's up to you.
You're so funny.
What's that mean?
When you say if you don't want to, you don't have to.
I said we don't have to.
Okay, let me update the results. The day is over. Nightbot.
What strategy do you use? Strategy do I use?
Timers.
Use a trend following strategy, looking for pullbacks to get into the trade. Normally on a 2-minute time frame, but look at the other ones as well. Today I got the volume profile up, but kind of messing around with it. Generally looking for a pullback. If you look at the small chart on the bottom of the screen, it's a 2600 volume Heikin-Ashi chart. Generally look for a pullback there. So on this 2-minute time frame to show a trend, I see it pulling back, and I use the smaller chart as an entry chart. Look for a pullback to the moving averages. So if we're going down, I would look for green candles pushing up to the moving average, and then for it to turn red, breaking a trend line to signal an entry. What kind of strategy do you like? What do you trade? Support and resistance, trend following, counter trend. I think Mike trades about the same way I do. Trend following, look for pullbacks.
Well, coin flip really, not coin flip, that was Lorenko really went for a solid run from 1145. Oh, it's true. My accounts are in the way. Take a look at that run. Very nice.
I'm looking at it now on the Heikin-Ashi.
Very nice. Yeah, Heikin-Ashi gives you about the same results. I mean, similar, not identical, similar.
We also look at other strategies. We have other people on stream that talk about different strategies as well. Try to build a community of people talking about different strategies. Because let's be honest, strategies is what's important in trading. And if you have one, you're probably a decent trader. And if you don't, you're probably not.
It's tough to define edge, though, when you're learning, no?
I think it's always tough to define edge. But I think
you don't even know how when you're starting out.
I think what every successful trader can agree on is that you have to have a strategy.
Nice.
See how he asked me what my strategy is, and I can talk it out in like less than a minute. Like, hey, there it is. Bam.
Yep. If you can't, then you don't have one.
If you can't just like on the spot be like, here's my strategy, this is what I do.
Yep.
Then you probably don't have one, and you're definitely in that 80% of people that don't have a strategy and losing money.
Have a good weekend. We'll see you on Monday. You're definitely one of those losers. Enjoy your weekend.
No, I mean, it's not like, no, that's not what I'm saying. I'm also saying, like, that's the importance of the coin flip strategy, is to prove that you can have any strategy and basically beat 80% of people. It don't matter. You can do a coin flip, you're going to beat 80% of people. You can buy every hour the first candle of the hour. Maybe we'll do that next. And it's like, just any strategy is going to put you above 80% of people.
Yeah, the amazing thing is the coin flip is running at 66%. Very strong. We're at 24 trades already, and I don't think it's fallen below 66%. Right now it's 16 and 8. That's 2/3, 66%. Wood chip, I was just going to say, if you don't win this one at 17, I don't know. Maybe it's the amount of letters in your name. I just never seen anybody that, yeah, I know. I've never seen anybody that just can't win at deal me in like you. It just defies all odds. Like, I even watch now when you play, because it's just unreal how often the dealer just beats you. 28. There we go. We have a band bounce trade right now. If it goes long, I'm not in the mood to take it because we're right under the previous day's low. That's not really a good location.
Wood chip got his win. Yay, it's going to be a good weekend. Got to go into the weekend with a good win. What he said he had a trade? He said he had a trade earlier. That was a win too. So that's a double win on a Friday.
Woodchip, I got a question for you. Do you know Grace Vanderwall? She won, I think it was America's Got Talent or whatever that show is with, what's his name there, the guy? I forgot his name. Wow, I hate that. His name was Simon Cowell. I think it's America's Got Talent. You watch that show, Omnius?
I've seen it before, but I don't generally watch it now.
Anyways, yeah, she was a singer.
He used to do American Idol also.
Okay, yeah. So which one is it? Is it American Idol or?
Then there's what, Britain's Got Talent, or a couple other ones they do now.
I don't know if you're making a joke there, because her #1 song on the show was "I Don't Know My Name." So I don't know if you're making a reference to that.
That's funny. He said,
I don't know. He
said just get on with the story.
That's it. That's the story. I just wanted to know if he knew her style of music.
I've never heard of it.
Grace Vanderwall, really?
Never heard of her.
I was a big fan. I bought her 2 CDs.
Were they good?
I liked it. My family made fun of me.
Like what kind of music?
She started off, I swear to God, she was young on the show. I don't remember, 11, 12, 13, 14. I don't remember what she was. Story was she wrote her own songs, and they were pretty damn phenomenal. And I mean pretty damn phenomenal. They were impressive. Me and my family were watching when she was on the show, whether it was America's Got Talent or American Idol. I don't remember.
I've got so much more respect for people that write their own songs and their own music.
Yeah. She played originals all the time. Every time she was on the show, she didn't do a cover song. And
now I'm not against people doing cover songs. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is you just got more respect for people that put in that creative process.
Yeah. Was she blind? No, she wasn't blind. Yeah, I'll get you the link. I'll get you the link to the one that started her. The thing that blasted her career off. Let me go here. I like the blind girl. I didn't see the blind girl. Grace Vanderwall. Oh, there it is. America's Got Talent, Grace Vanderwall. I think this is the first one. Yep, this is the first one. Hold on, I gotta turn my volume off because I'm gonna click it and it's gonna play. And I'm pretty sure if it's America's Got Talent, I'm gonna get a copyright strike.
I was watching Patrick Whelan for a little bit last night. His live stream or whatever, and somebody's asking him how he plays music. Doesn't he get a copyright strike?
Okay, yeah.
He said he don't give a fuck about the copyright strike. He said all it does is it goes against monetization, and he don't get no money from them anyways.
Yeah. Oh, okay. No, I thought it was...
He was trying to say that he only gets like $20 per stream from monetization. I don't believe that. That's bullshit.
Yeah, I don't know. My chat's not working, guys. I can't even enter it into... I can't type, so I don't know. I can't help you. Oh, I know what I can do. We're not done yet. If anybody's interested. Let's try again. I'll give you the title. There you go. That was enough, probably. I turned the volume off, but now I just went back to it.
Did you play it?
No. I'm not gonna play it, but there was a little bit of music there. I was gonna try and show. The title. Oh wait, I think I created a full screen. Let's try it out. I think I created a full screen. Let me see. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's no good.
What? That screen. Do that screen.
That's Dream Screen AI, but from Grok.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So let's see which ones. Since we're here, let's see the ones I created. Okay. Well, we're on. This is the first one. I'm playing it in slow motion. You can do a lot more with Grok, than you can with.
Yeah, but it's not as smooth.
Oh no, because I'm playing it slow. This is full speed.
Yeah, but even full speed, it's just not as smooth as Google's. They'll get better. They're all going to get better.
Anyways, let me turn it up. Let me turn it all off.
Yeah, I agree with wood chip. That's nice rack there.
Okay, there you go. And there you go, full screen. So there you got the title right at the top there. America's Got Talent 2016 audition. Wow, amazing. That's 9 years ago. Grace Vanderwall, 12-year-old ukulele player, golden buzzer. So if you want to see it, type that in. And what I would say is watch the whole all her songs. There's a compilation of all her songs from America's Got Talent. It was pretty impressive. Anyways, I was impressed. For a 12-year-old to be writing her own songs, the boobs. Well, of course the boobs look fake. It's AI.
Who said the boobs look fake? I mean, most of the models you see online nowadays, they're fake anyway. So
yeah,
of course,
that looks pretty fake.
What? Put it back up. I'll be the judge.
She also looks plastic. She also looks plastic. Full screen again. Let's see. Even this one. Her face looks plastic.
I think it did a pretty good job. No, I think it came out pretty good.
I think these are the same videos. Well, watch your hands.
Yeah, the hands. Yeah, I see the hands.
Watch what happens to the hands.
Well, she got like a tattoo on her chest?
Oh, I don't know.
Right there, under the shirt. Isn't that a tattoo?
Yeah, I don't know. I never looked that closely.
Well, you're looking at it now. You're looking at it now, right?
I look at their faces. I don't look at their chest.
Oh, that's what all the guys say. Oh yeah, I'm looking at your eyes.
Let me see what else I did. Media.
See, look at wood chips. Like she's got a lazy eye. Are you seriously looking at her eyes?
Do I have any others that I created? I created some really good ones. Oh shit! Where are yours and mine? Is this it?
Why does the stream get dirty when you show up? It's all about the wood.
Hey, wait. Let me get the sound in.
Artistic, that's a better word. The fuck is that?
That's Grok.
The fuck are these guys doing?
Oh, wait a minute. It's running too slow. Hold on. Shit. There we go. Hold on. Again, even that one was slowed down. There we go. Now what?
For anybody wondering, we're just kind of fucking off.
Look at you getting all excited. That's what's in my video now. And you don't get to see it all. Hold on, it's too small. There you go. Hold on, I got to make it bigger.
Where do I see the video?
It was on my short that I posted last night. There it is. I did 3 of them. They're really funny. I don't know where the other 2 are.
What did you tell it?
Nothing. I imported the picture into Grok. Grok, you can't tell it anything. On Grok, you just have to.
I'm thinking give the Facebook. So Facebook has one now too, but it gives you like these predetermined things, I think, and you're like, tell it to do this. It's like, I don't want it to do what everybody else is doing. How do I put in what I want it to do?
Yeah, I know. Look at him. He's all the way in the corner now.
Oh, leaning back in my chair watching this other guy's stream.
Well, it's what you showed me. You go into Grok and you do imagine or reimagine, whatever.
Yeah, I know.
So I just go reimagine. I pick the picture. I just took a screenshot right here of you and me.
Mm-hmm.
I take the picture. It was the one when we were high-fiving, so that my hand was up in the air. And you just click make video.
I knew that high five was a setup. He plotted that before the high five.
You just make a video, and that's it, and that's what comes out. And you can choose now spicy, fun, or normal. They changed it. It used to be just normal, I think. Now they made 3 categories.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I told you that.
Try it out.
YouTube
Just take a screenshot.
YouTube's supposed to be. I've already done it. Yeah. YouTube's supposed to be upgrading there. I did one. It's on my phone. I probably can't show it to you with the camera, but we went to this park thing. They have a wildlife thing set up. It's all fake though. And there was an alligator coming down the wall with his head open. My son was like sticking his head in the alligator's mouth. I took a picture of it and I gave it to Grok.
Shit.
And
that's a good one.
See if I can find it. Probably won't show it on screen, but I'll try.
On screen meaning on your stream or just here on the Discord? Like you're going to show it to the camera?
Yeah, I'd try, but
no, it's not going to work.
Actually, I don't even know where it's at. It was in Grok. I know I saved it. I mean, it was it like took the alligator's head and like put it on his head and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
It was pretty cool.
Okay. Last account check. That's my results for the day.
There's the original picture.
Nah, it's not showing.
Hold on, let me bring this
Your
up.
Phone put it in front of your body. Put it in front of your body. No, yeah, but go to the camera, but make sure your body is behind it. Move your camera over a little bit to the.
That's too much work.
To the left, to the right. Just do this. Here, let me show you. You see my camera?
See him. Hey, you kind of see him.
Yeah, I do. I see it now. You see my camera? You don't see anything, right?
Yeah.
If I move it in front of my body, and then I bring it to the camera, you'll see it because my body is green screen. But if I go over here, it doesn't disappear. You guys don't care about it that much. If I found a video, I'd probably. I'd like to see that video. That would be incredible.
If I see the video, I'll put more effort into it.
Shit.
I know I saved it, but I don't know where it'd be saved at.
You know what? I got a picture of my mom. You're not going to believe this.
Now everybody's going to be taking pictures of people and doing that.
When she was in her 20s, she's in an army uniform holding a machine gun. Or a gun, at least. I don't remember. My brain tells me it was a machine gun, but probably not. It's probably just a rifle. I got to put that into Grok and see what it does. Problem is, all my uncles and aunts, most of them are passed away, so nobody would get a kick out of it. Nobody would get it. It would be just me and my brothers.
I don't know. Maybe I didn't save that picture.
Which picture? Video, you mean?
Yeah, the video. Yeah. I guess Grok don't save them either.
Uh.
Well, that sucks.
No, Grok doesn't have any save feature. It's terrible. They tell you as a free user you have a limit of creating 20 of those videos per month.
Oh yeah, I didn't know that.
I don't think it has. I don't think that counter is working, because I must have. I did one night, probably about 100 and something, and then it stopped. You know, I'm playing with it. I'm learning what I can do, and I'm trying to get text in there. You know, Futures Floor live stream, subscribe. I'm trying to get text in the images.
What's Woodchip saying? No, please don't.
He was talking about. I don't know. It was when you were talking about your video, I think. Unless he was talking about my mom's photo. That's the problem also with the chat, is it's like off. The timing is off. You know, I see the chat, but it only they hear what we say. Let's say 7 seconds late, and then they type, which is another 5 seconds. So you know, you got to think back like 20 seconds ago when you read a comment. What did you say 20 seconds ago? So I didn't catch that one. No, please don't. Because you went from showing the AI girl to right after saying I have okay. No, my mom's not like that. She's in an army uniform when she was 20. You know what the funny thing is?
Look at my mom.
I think it was the Russian army, because she's from Russia, my mom. So it might have even been that. Who knows?
There we go. Russian Secret Service. Mike might be in the KGB.
It's crazy the life that he was. It's crazy the life she lived. I feel so bad for her. The life she lived. It was during wartime. The places they had to run to hide, to stay alive, and I think we talked about this.
Sounds like my dad's story.
She had a period of her life. Said they would go looking in the garbage for supper.
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
you said your mom grew up in the Great Depression also, didn't she?
No. The Great Depression was in the 20s. No. She this is in the 40s, 50s.
Well, my dad was born in the 20s.
Okay. No, this isn't the Great Depression. This was during World War II.
Yeah, Great Depression all the way through World War II. Really up until like the 50s. I think even in Russia after World War II, they had a lot of issues. Russia, Germany.
Well, no, she didn't stay long. She didn't stay that. They moved around to so many different places. Now that I think about it, no, Russia. She was just in a.
Yeah, my dad grew up in the Great Depression.
You know what? I don't even know. I don't even know her history. I don't know when it was that they were eating out of the garbage cans, because they had a farm when they were in Russia. They had animals, so they couldn't have been.
I told you, me and my dad was fighting over a can of meat.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
He was pissed. I threw away a can of meat.
Yeah.
He was pissed. I was like, Dad, it expired like 5 years ago. I'll go buy you 10 of these at Walmart. Come on, man.
Yeah.
He's like, y'all just don't know. Y'all don't know nowadays.
She made her way to Canada. She found her way onto a boat and made her way to Canada. That must have been hell also. I think you know what? I just said that, and I think I remember also. You know what? She died so long ago, 25 years ago. So I don't remember the stories anymore. But when I said she was on a boat, I think I remember a story also how friends, older people, they were getting sick on the boat. They were in the bottom and they were dying, and it was like just hellish conditions. It was a fight for survival. That's what it was. It was a fight for survival.
I can't remember if my dad came to the U.S. when he was a child or if his father came before my dad was born. I think they were escaping like the Great Depression and everything in Germany.
Well, it didn't take long for her quality of life to shoot through the moon, because, we have young pictures when she met my dad.
Yeah.
Here, it was here.
Could have a short trade.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Do it, why not? I think I could take a loss and still be in the green.
I'm not taking any more trades. I'm just sitting here chatting with you.
It
my
is.
My wife is probably saying, when's he going to get off? What time is it? It's 12:18.
Mm-hmm.
Let's let Omnius take profit here.
Oh, as slow as this market's going. Could be another swing trade.
11-point range on the 1-minute candle. Still pretty good.
Yeah, I think it's just chopping.
I digress. I disagree.
You think it's going down?
I think it's going down. I think we're just seeing a little bit of a pullback, but we broke below the previous day's low. I think we're going to see a new, we're going to break the low of the previous candle on the 1-minute chart. There you go. We broke the low of the previous candle. Now I don't know anymore. I'm done. Yeah, that's it. I had enough.
Yeah, I said I was done also.
I'm not motivated to trade. Sim 101 turned green. Sim 101 was trading, oh, it's true. I don't even have it up. Was trading the bot, the Omni bot, which I said, you know what? I'm going to keep running because I do want to watch it. I do want to keep my eye on it. I think it'll give me good insight into the movements of the market. I like the way it's coded. I like what it does. I just can't put it on a real account because it's a counter trend trader mostly. It's a reversion to the mean style of trader. Okay, I'm starting to close up. Top step closed. Orders. Cancel all orders for Bulenox. Positions. Flatten everything just to make sure. Close. Yes. Okay, we wrap it up.
I'm ready if you're ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay, guys. Thanks for showing up. We had some good laughs. We had some good trades. I'll be streaming Monday morning. Me and Omnius will be live around 9:30. Your turn, sir.
Oh, looking at this trade. Guys, appreciate everybody hanging out. See you by Monday morning. If you haven't already, on the way out, hit the like button. Appreciate everyone. Woodchip, have a great weekend.
He's sneaking in one more deal me and have a good weekend.
All right, hold on. We got to let him get his deal me in.
Nah, dealer draws. Wait a minute, dealer draws high number. It didn't even work.
Now you're jinxing it. You was going on to the weekend with a win, man.
Yeah. Go. Try one more time. We're going to quit on a winner. Play till you win.
We're going to be here all night.
Yeah, we got an hour. Yeah, I know. It doesn't even bother anymore to give you numbers. It just knows you're going to lose.
I went in and got out of that trade. I'm not feeling it. I'm ready to go do something else. I don't even feel like trading.
40. Not what chip? Wow,
I shouldn't have took the trade to begin with.
Ah, but you were short, no?
Yeah, it went a little bit. Look, I'm green. It's Friday.
It didn't do damage to you, did it?
No, I got like 4 points.
There you go. What chip draws 100? So 4 points is good. By Monday, you won't even remember the trade.
No, I don't give a fuck about it. Look, I'm gonna mark the day as green. That's all I care about. I was gonna mark it green even if it lost. I don't care.
Take care, Wood Chip.
That's a good spot to be in. It's a good spot to be in when you know if you take the trade, it's still not gonna change your day.
Yeah. Well, every trade should be like that, to be honest with you.
Well, I mean, you take your first couple of trades of the day and you're like clinching. You're like, I don't want to go into the red. But then you get a couple green trades build up and you're like, look, I could take a trade right now and I'm still going to be green as long as I don't take another one. So as long as I don't go on tilt or anything, then I don't care.
I know that feeling.
Wood chips out.
Okay,
We're
guys.
out. Mike, have a good weekend. Chat, have a good weekend.
Well,
Appreciate everyone. Like I said, hit the like button on your way out. See everybody Monday. Mike might see y'all Sunday, maybe.
Nah, probably not. I don't think so. Monday morning.
Okay. Have a good weekend, guys.
Take care. Bye.
There it is.
Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned, and future still in sight. We'll be back tomorrow, chasing profits right. Strings ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading is done, the charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned, and future still in sight. We'll be back tomorrow, chasing profits right. Strings ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Strings ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done, the charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Strange ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Strings ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Strange ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Strings ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. The trading day is done, the charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned, and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow, chasing profits right. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real.